why you shouldn't be eating dairy. One of the most obvious reasons is that cow milk is for cows, breast milk is for humans. Hey y'all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, my name is Ebony, and in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you guys 5 quick tips that are going to help you eliminate dairy. We are moving into vegan-wary, which is vegan January, where a lot of people are making it their New Year's resolution to give up dairy for the new year as we move into a more sustainable society. So I'm super excited to be making this video for any vegan curious people out there. So number 1, fear appeal, okay? It is one of the most powerful principles of persuasion. It might seem unethical, but there are a lot of big entities in our society that use fear appeal to persuade people to do things. So I want you to educate yourself on the dangers of dairy, okay? It's linked to high cholesterol, it's linked to diabetes. So once you educate yourself, it's gonna be super hard for you psychologically to make the decision to actually eat dairy. Replace dairy, okay? It is so easy to replace dairy in 2021. Next time you go to the grocery store, you don't have to get a gallon of milk. You don't have to get regular dairy cheese. You don't have to get regular butter. You can easily go over into the plant-based section. And even at some grocery stores, they have it right next to the real thing. You can make that easy swap. No one wants pizza without the cheese on it. So don't just focus on eliminating dairy from your diet, focus on replacing it. How can you replace those dairy cravings? We have vegan cheese, we have almond milk, we have cashew milk. And one little tip, make sure that when you are doing your creamy savory dishes that you remember to get unsweetened plant milk instead of the regular sweetened almond milk, because you do not want vanilla in your Alfredo. Read ingredient labels. Educate yourself on what you're eating that actually has dairy in it. You will never know until you look, okay? If you want to pull yourself out of the dairy addiction and you want to get rid of it completely from your diet, you have to identify what foods in your diet that actually have dairy. Eat dairy-free food. Go to your local bakery, go to your local Whole Foods, and just try out some vegan pastries, try out some vegan bakery items, things that would typically have dairy in it, to just taste test and see if you think that a dairy-free lifestyle will be feasible and attainable for you. Once you taste dairy-free foods, it will sway you into realizing that you actually don't need dairy in most of your favorite dishes. Go online and try out some dairy-free recipes, okay? Let's say you love making chicken Alfredo, but you're lactose intolerant, you know the dairy isn't good for you. Well, this is a great opportunity to go online and Google dairy-free Alfredo. People are online giving you all the tools that you need to make a lifestyle change. I never knew how to make a roux. A roux is basically like a thick flour and oil base that helps you make creamy sauces. I never knew how to make that before going vegan, but once I became vegan, I learned that that is how I can get a creamy base for my vegan dishes. It's gonna be super hard to be on a dairy-free diet if you don't know how to cook anything that's dairy-free. So make sure you go online, educate yourself how to cook without dairy, and overall just the different replacements that are gonna help you live a dairy-free life. That's all I got for you guys today. I hope you enjoyed this quick video. Make sure you guys go follow me on Instagram. Make sure you like and subscribe to this channel.